In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a bank account in Stripe. Adding a bank account to your Stripe account is an essential step if you want to ensure smooth transactions and fund transfers. Whether you're a seasoned entrepreneur familiar with online business operations or just starting out, knowing how to perform this task efficiently can save you time and potential headaches down the line. First off, you need to log into your Stripe dashboard. Once logged in, at the top of your dashboard, look for the Settings icon. It's typically located in the top right corner of the interface. Click on this to reveal a drop-down menu, and from here, navigate over to Business under Account Settings. Alternatively, if your primary focus is managing funds, you can skip directly to the Balances option right from your dashboard. It's another pathway to accomplish the same task. Once in the correct settings area, your next step is to focus on bank accounts and currencies. This section is crucial as it manages how you receive your funds. By selecting this, you're opening up the gateway to either add a new bank account or manage existing ones. Now you'll see the option that says Add a Bank Account. Go ahead and click on that. After selecting Add a Bank Account, you'll need to click on the Send Verification button. This step initiates the bank account verification process, an important security measure that ensures the account belongs to you and is ready for transactions. Follow the prompts that appear. If you've linked accounts before, these steps might seem familiar. Often, they require confirming your account through a small deposit verification or similar process. Now comes the part where you enter your bank account details. Make sure you have this information close at hand, such as your bank account number, the branch routing number, and any other necessary identifiers. When typing in these details, accuracy is vital, so double-check your entries to avoid any potential issues. Finally, once you have all the details entered accurately, you'll see a button that says Add Bank Account. Go ahead and click it, and just like that, you've registered your bank account with Stripe. You're set to start receiving payouts, and this method ensures you have a direct link to your finances, providing immediate access when funds are transferred. And there you have it, a straightforward process to add a bank account to your Stripe profile. By following these steps, you guarantee a smooth integration, helping you manage your finances more efficiently on this platform. Thank you for watching, and make sure to stay tuned for more tips to help you master digital financial tools like Stripe.